Guys. Go, 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 go.
Dave!
Oh, hit! Right in the mouth. What are you doing, dude? What are you doing? Come on!
Hey, you got anything?
Hey, they stole the orb.
They took the orb.
Yeah. Hold up. You guys took the orb.
That's why they were moving this
Yeah. What are you doing?
I'm staying back here.
Why?
Guys.
Why? This is the name of the game, Airsoft. It doesn't hurt that bad. Let's go. You're with me. I can't believe I just made a kid cry in Airsoft.
On our team.
He's coming down, I got him. Oh, hit! Oh, on the back of the head, too. He doesn't want to play, he doesn't have to play. Let's go.
He's not playing? All right. We're down one guy. So,
I feel bad because I told him it's the name of the game, but I made him cry. I really do feel bad, kind of. What?
you tell him you're sorry at the end. And you didn't mean it.
I did mean it. Let's not lie here. Yeah, highlight it. Whoa! That was the guy who got me. You're dead. What was that?
The predator.
Go up in there.
Cover us. Covering.
Dude, this light is amazing. No, I'm using the one mounted to my gun.
Oh, these are really nice ones.
Yeah. I think it was a Wish.com one too. Which brown building? They're all made of wood. All right, go ahead up.
Thank you, comrade.
Do you think if I run that way hard down behind Newtown, if I'd have a good shot?
I'll go with you.
Hold on. I'm not sure if we want that many lights going that way.
No,
Do you want to go one at a time and leapfrog? That sounds like a better idea, actually. Yeah. I'm gonna run. See my light? Ready? That house. I'm gonna run to that.
Okay. Kyle, you laying down fire? All right, you're going there first, or are we going?
Yeah, I'm going first.
All right, I'll be right back.
And then if I don't get shot and come back, as soon as I do one of these, pop around that corner and just fire at them. If you...
2, 1, go.
Go ahead! Hit! I can't say where you are, but fine job.
I got shot in the forehead like 3 times with full auto.
Okay. Oh! Oh! I'm dead. Dead man. Got me right in my armor gap, like right in the rib cage.
I got shot in the forehead 3 times.
Oh my god.
By that machine gun guy, and I just passed out to the floor. I fell.
Got it.
Ready to go. All right, let's go it. Game over.
Hey, my call sign is Speedy. Honor playing with you.